What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. I'm going to go over our friend Gala games, sitting at 0.02414, down 2.7 on the day. Same market cap of 516 million. 24-hour volume, 34 million. Let's hop into the charts. Going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So this is our wave 2 pullback zone. We did see a rejection. So the micro count could be 1 pulling back into 2, and then you would come down in a 3, 4, 5. To complete the wave 3, the 1.618 target is 0.01992. Now, if we see a more complex correction, you could look at a WXY, so you ABC into a W, come down in X, and then you push up in a wave Y. There is also the chance that this is going to be ending diagonal wave C, and we won't go as deeply. Of course, even with the impulse, the minimum target for a wave 3 is a 1 extension. But if this were to be an ending diagonal, A, B, C into a 1, A, and then a 3-wave move, 1, 2, 3 into a B, push up in a wave C and a wave 2, and then A, B, C down in a wave 3, A, B, C into a 4, A, B, C into a 5 into our target zone. And ABC into a 5 into our target zone. That is also a possibility. But right now, what we're looking at, let me just retract this, is potentially coming back in the wave 2. So if we were to come up and break this invalidation, it just means that the wave 2 pullback isn't finished yet. Because here's our target zone. The 78.6 is coming in at 0.0225. So we can easily push all the way up to that target and still be within the wave 2. However, if we don't break that invalidation and we roll over, then what I would look at here is you just came down in the wave 1, you pull back into 2, you come down in the 3, 4, 5. Remember, with Elliott wave, we don't trade the corrections, we trade the impulses. So once we pull back into our target zone, we'll look to take the long, or once we see bullish confirmation, then we'll look to take the long trade to ride up the wave 3. You don't want to trade the correction, you want to trade the impulse. All right, gang, daily chart. Still underneath the 20 EMA, a little bit of a wedge pattern starting to form. So we may be putting in a nice, beautiful falling wedge. Typically break out to the upside. So if we do continue to come down, we hold this falling wedge, start to break out, get back above those EMAs, and we're good to go for continuation to the upside. I know right now it can be slow. Corrections can seem to take forever, but that's just how it is sometimes with crypto. So if we do come up and break this invalidation point at 0.02464, then this wave 2 simply isn't complete yet. But if we don't break it, we start to roll over. Especially if we come down and lose this low, that's more confirmation of coming down in the 3. 1, 2, come down 3. I don't know if we'll make it all the way down to the 1.618, but let's say we make it to the minimum target, 0.02159, put in the wave 4, come down in a wave 5, complete the correction, see continuation to the upside. All right, gang, so that's what we're looking at. The key resistance to watch here is 0.02464. If it's broken, then we're still putting in the wave 2. All right, gang, we are currently in 3 trades, recently locked in gains on our Bitcoin trade. We'll look to take more positions on the pullback, more long trades on the pullback once we enter target zones. All signals will be given in the Discord for only 10 USD per month. You really can't beat it. For my signals, a daily analysis, crypto news, member profits, HODL alt plays, Forex signals and analysis as well. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Make sure to sign up to Bybit or Bitkit. This is where I do my trading, mostly on Bitkit. Grab your bonuses up to 8K on Bitkit, up to 30,000 on Bybit. There's a very special bonus if you email me or sign up email after your first deposit on one of the exchanges. All links are in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.